Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and get signed up right there on your McDonald's. But for that, before we start the video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channels, and yeah, we will simply go ahead and step into our videos. If you want to do so, first of all go ahead and download and install your app. Then you will tap on that app and you can go ahead, as you can see, cross this out, and now you will define this continue with Apple, Facebook, Google, and email. If you want to go ahead continue with email, go ahead, tap on that, enter your email address, you will be able to log in. Other method is you can go ahead continue with Apple ID if you're in iOS. Otherwise you can tap on this continue with Google, which is the easiest for you to as well. Tap on this continue option, go ahead, choose your desired account, and you will be able to get logged in right there in your McDonald's like that. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.